Hey guys, it's Michelle here and welcome to the mblog channel. Happy New Year's and thank you guys so much for joining me as I plan my 2018 planner. I'm so excited that I have this here with me, and so let's get started. Why do I like to plan? I like to plan because it helps me get organized and put all of my dreams and all of the things I have to get done in one solid place. But what I like most about it is that I get to do it in my own unique way, which means that if you're a beginner or if you're advanced, you've been doing this, it always changes, which means you can start at any time. So today I'm going to give you some tips that will help you as I plan even my planner. Stay tuned and let's get started. Alright guys, the first thing that I like to do is what I like to call the first stage of prepping. On the first stage of prepping, all you have to do is get a white piece of paper or, one of those random pieces of paper that you have from school that you never use again, but there's some room there to fit some stuff. That's what you need, and then you're just going to start writing some official dates that you know now. Maybe you have some dentist appointments coming up that you know the times of, you know that you have to babysit this day, and also your class schedule. And that's everything that's going to come in here. You want to add all of those things. Another one that's a good thing that just came into my mind is your work schedule. Put that down. It's going to be your scratch paper, and you want to do it in a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday form. So I'm going to do it for you guys. Take this as an opportunity to do it yourself as I do it too. So let's do it together. Alright guys, now that we're done with the stage 1 of prepping, now it's time to get on to stage 2 of prepping, which is basically all things goals and dreams. This is your chance to make a step towards, accomplishing your goals. Maybe it's going to the gym more often, maybe it's getting good grades, making new friends, or anything of that sort. This is the time to do it and make it and involve it into your planner. Basically, the way that I like to do it is that I again grab a piece of paper and I write down on 2 different sides. One side I write down everything realistically that I want to do this year, this month, this week. I write it all down. And then on the other side, I tell myself realistically how I can accomplish those things. Please see, my little thing that I do here. You guys are basically going to do it with me. So pause this video if you need to, or fast forward it, whatever you got to do, get some inspiration. But you will see what I mean, as in I kind of blob it, and then on the other side I try to incorporate it into my planner. Whether it's if I need to go to the gym more often, I say let's aim for 15 minutes every day and download an app that you like. That is realistically showing me that I will do something towards that goal. Again, get some inspiration from me. It doesn't have to be the same. This is the part that you get to get creative and show to yourself that you can do it and that you will do it by putting it into your planner. The next thing is putting part 1 and part 2 together in one, and that is by creating yourself a little, rough draft of your week and putting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then writing down, oh, I work on Mondays, I work on Wednesdays and Fridays, and I go to the gym these days, but I see that I have 15 minutes to accomplish that one goal that I have, and in that way you're putting those part 1 and part 2 together. Okay, so that's the next thing. So again, do it with me, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now this is a really random thing to say right now, but if you subscribe to this channel, I'll be uploading more ways in terms of planning, getting yourself organized, school organized, work organized. So subscribe if you're interested in that and you like what you're seeing right now, as well as follow me on my Instagram and on my Snapchat. But nonetheless, let's get rolling to the next thing. Alright guys, now we've made it to the final stage of planning and preparing our planner for the year. And this is the stage where you have to decide if you guys want to do a colorful planner or all of that. How do you want it to look? Personally, my first planner was super colorful. Let me show you right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have a little bit more color as I go. I have a lot of color here. Okay. And then, April just was a rainbow. So that's the way that I approached it. I liked a lot of color. I wanted it to be bright and motivational. But this year, I really just want to use a black pen and some pencil. Going in with a plan on how you want your aesthetic of your planner to look will be very beneficial. So grab your colors, decide how you want it to look, and that is it. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we can go along 2018 together and this journey together. Anyways, I will see you guys later through my Snapchat, through my Instagram, and my Twitter. All of the information will either be here or in the description down below. And give this a thumbs up and comment down below what is your favorite method of planning. Nonetheless, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!